Hello dear children, how are you all? Fine? Okay. Now we are discussing our third chapter, The Road to Independence. And we are at the end of this chapter. In this chapter, we have to discuss two more topics. That is, Quit India Movement and Freedom Fighters of Kerala and India. So today we are going to discussing about Quit India Movement. Before starting our today's section, let us have a small discussion about our previous class. In our previous class, we discussed about Salt Satyagraha in Kerala. Teacher will ask you some questions. You have to answer it correctly. Okay? First question is, who led Salt Satyagraha in Kerala? Say children, what is the answer? Yes, you are right. The answer is K. Kelappan. Second question, who wrote the patriotic song Variga Variga Sahajare? What is the answer? Yes, Amshi Narayana Pillai. Last question, after the great success of Salt Satyagraha, K. Kelappan came to be known as Dash. What is the answer? Yes, very good. The answer is Kerala Gandhi. Very good. You all know about Salt Satyagraha well. Okay children, shall we move on to our today's section? Our topic for today is Quit India Movement. Have you heard about the word quit? Then say, what is the meaning of quit? Yes, quit means leave. So, Quit India means leave India. In your textbook of page number 37, we can say the topic Quit India. In 1942, there was a session held in Bombay. Session means meeting. So in 1942, there was a meeting held in Bombay. It was a meeting of International Congress. The leaders Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru were participated at the meeting in Bombay. In the meeting, Jawaharlal Nehru presented the Quit India resolution. Resolution means a decision to do something. So, in the meeting, Jawaharlal Nehru presented a decision against the British to leave India. In our previous classes, we discussed about the cruelty of British rulers. So, Gandhiji called for the ultimate struggle for freedom against British rulers. So Gandhiji strongly encouraged people to do something, that is, to do something against British rulers, to leave India. Gandhiji says that they did all the struggles in a peaceful way, but the British rulers didn't stop their cruelty towards Indians. And it is time to stop their rule in India. So Gandhiji encouraged Indians to say, go back to British rulers, that is, to quit India. And Gandhiji focused a slogan, do or die. The slogan, do or die, means all the Indians will try their level best to achieve freedom from British rulers. If they didn't get freedom, they were ready to die for their nation. Gandhiji's this slogan, do or die, was a great encouragement to all the Indians. So, in 1942, under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, mass of people joined the struggle against British. that is called Quit India movement, and they asked British rulers to go back, that is to leave India. So in every year August 9 is observed as Quit India Day. Okay children, did you understand? In your textbook a small box is given. Did you see it? Okay, teacher will read it. The United Nations has declared October 2nd, the day of Gandhiji's birth, as World Non-Violence Day. We know that non-violence is the most important weapon of Mahatma Gandhi. In all the struggles against British rulers, Gandhiji used his weapon non-violence. So, United Nations declared his birthday, that is October 2nd, as World Non-Violence Day. My life is my message. That is the message he given to the world. That is, in his entire life he followed non-violence, that is ahimsa. So, my life is my message is the message Gandhiji given to the world. Okay children, did you understand? All of you must read your textbook. Okay children, so that's all for today's section. Thank you.